Hi, I'm Tom, W8JI, and this video is about cleaning the open frame signal relays that I used in the Ameritron amplifiers. These relays were made by Relay Service Company in Chicago, Illinois, and the Relay Service Company X919KP had gold-plated contacts with a easily removable armature. This is a gold flash contact. Never ever sand, file, or burnish these contacts. You'll ruin the relay. The hard black layer that builds up on these gold contacts and stops the receiving is gold sulfide. It's removed by Tarnex. Tarnex will just dissolve it and break it down into gold and sulfur, and the sulfur will wash away. The contact will be good. So that's how you fix this relay. It's really easy to take this relay apart. All you have to do is take a pair of needle nose pliers and lift the end of the spring off the little tab that comes out of the relay frame, and then the armature will just lift right forward and up and out of the relay. And you can get at all the contacts and clean them with a little plastic non-metallic paintbrush and Tarnex. Tarnex is some pretty nasty stuff, so you want to be careful. Don't get it in your eyes or on your face or anything like that, and try to keep it off the other components in the amplifier. So be a little bit cautious with how you use it. I like to pour it in a jar and then use the little tiny soft paintbrush to brush it right on the contacts, and then just work it for a little bit, for about a minute, and it'll get rid of all that silver. Now I use CRC QD electronic contact cleaner. I can get it at Walmart. It's inexpensive and it works just as well as anything else you're going to buy. It doesn't react with the Tarnex or anything else, and you can flush the Tarnex, the residual Tarnex and sulfur off the contacts, and then polish them a little bit with something like you might use for eyeglasses or anything like that. And then you wind up with a real nice gold contact just like original. You want to then lift the paper that protects everything out of the way and the armature out of the way, and then you get at the lower part, the stationary contacts in the relay. Do the same thing to the frame contacts. Right on the buttons, just brush Tarnex on them just a little bit. Don't run it all over everything, and just let it sit there a little bit, and it'll clean those contacts right up. And again, you just will use CRC to blow all the Tarnex, any remaining Tarnex and silver, or I'm sorry, the sulfur, right off the contact. You're going to wind up with a nice shiny gold contact. You haven't taken any of the gold flashing off the contact doing it this way. And you reseat the armature, hook the spring back on where it was, and then make sure that the relay moves free. You can just push on it. It won't hurt anything. If you've disconnected any wires to to get the armature out of the way, you can resolder them back on, and then you're perfectly good on this relay. It's going to last you a long time.